Four-wheel drivers do appreciate the fact that you can't really stuff around with your air compressors when you're off-road. Our tyres are bigger, they go up and down numerous times on any adventure, so you need to trust your air compressor. So I've been trialling out these new ones from Mean Mother, and I'll tell you what, they're pretty interesting. This one, it reminds me of a diesel engine. It just absolutely goes for it. And it pumps really, really quickly, 180 litres per minute. So that's pumping up your average tyre in about 2.3 minutes. It is super, super fast, which is handy that you've got this remote. This is actually the first air compressor, mobile air compressor, that has its own remote control. And its little brother actually has it as well. So this one is called the Adventurer 4. This style of air compressor has been around for many years. It's actually designed in Australia by a company that's been in the country for over 50 years. So it's nice to know that it's engineered right here, obviously for our conditions. But these units just are really, really good. They've got thermal overload protection as well. But interestingly, they will run, well, this one here will run for 45 minutes at 40 PSI. That is a huge duty cycle. And its little brother here, it'll run at 35 minutes. Now this one pumps 110 litres per minute, so perfect for things like your Jimny owners. This guy, 180 litres per minute. So if you've got larger vehicles with larger tyres, this one tends to make sense. Space constraints, this guy, or budget constraints as well. Having said that, both of these are really reasonably priced compressors, and you will find them in many, many stores right around Australia. But I tell you, I've been having a crack at them and I'm absolutely loving their functionality. Oh, and we also have our tyre gauges here as well that are built in. So the entire kit is just set and forget. Chuck it in the back of your 4B and off you go.